Guys, I'm here to surprise someone. There's this lady that came to me some time ago for help, and one of my fans gave me some token to look for someone that needs help, and that's why I'm here today, to look for that particular lady, to surprise her. She doesn't know that I'm coming, but I'm going to surprise her today. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media handle, Adima Arts and Crafts, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go in there so I will surprise her. Cha-cha! Let's go. We rode there.
Is it here?
I guess this is where she's living. Thank you. This is the compound. Thank you. Let's go. Take it easy.
It's yours.
Yeah. No God. I'm sure there's somebody.
There should be people.
Okay, she's the one.
Okay.
She's the one.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright.
Welcome.
Good morning. Good morning. Alright. Okay, ma'am.
How are you doing? Fine. Okay. Good morning. Yes. This is the person.
Okay.
That's the lady.
Ma, good morning. Okay, ma.
How are you?
Okay.
Look at her pretty baby.
Yeah. Ew. Easy.
Okay, thanks. This is the lady that came to meet me. So, we're here to... She doesn't know that I was coming to do this.
Of course.
She wasn't aware at all, so we came to surprise her today. So, sister, one of our fans sent us to come and visit you to surprise. So that's why we are here today. Thank you, sir. Thank you. They said we should give you this token for you to use it and start up a business that you can use and take care of your children. So that's why we are here, to see you. So this is... Thank you.
It's alright. We'll take back to fast.
Easy.
No. It's alright, ma.
You don't have to cry.
It's people that remembered you. So
Stop.
please. No.
Stop.
No, we want a better life for all of us, yeah?
Stop. It's okay.
It's alright.
It's okay.
It's alright.
It's okay. Sorry.
It's alright.
Please. It's okay.
I don't
Alright.
look at it. She will do this.
No.
Sorry.
Have your baby, yeah?
Sorry.
Ma.
Sorry.
Sorry,
It's
yeah?
okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
Eh?
Viewers, please.
Hey, that's the emotion, tears of a joy, you know?
Seriously.
It's so surprised. She never knew we are coming.
So it's okay.
So,
it's okay.
please, just it's like that every time you surprise somebody with this kind of a thing. Thank you, fans. Thank you for this support.
So please, viewers, fans, you can see that. Stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. So please, she needs your support. No matter how little it is, any token is enough for her to use. Just you can see, these are her keys. And this other person, come to you. And this, what's her name? Easy name. Okay. Please, the kids are not in school and they need to be in school. So please, we'll decide with all of you anything that you have to offer to her that will help her to start up, to add up to the one that one of our fans have already given to her. She wants to start selling foodstuffs. Please, let's help her start the business to be able to take care of herself and her children, and for the children to also go back to school. What we'll do is that we'll come and visit her with time to see how the business is going. Then you know how to add up with your help, to know how to add up as well, to make sure that the business is going well, topping up, and the kids will also be okay, and she will take care of herself and the kids as well. So please, we solicit with you, or anything you have that you can assist her. She needs your help. She needs our help. She needs it. So please, anyhow you can to help, please. We try to be transparent to you, and that's why we give this as well. We appreciate you out there that supported this journey this way to help her. As you can see, she needs your help as well. So let's hear from her what she has to tell our fans out there. Please, what do you have to tell our fans out there? And the person
Okay, that is the most important thing. Okay. All right. Thank you all. Thank you for this.
Please don't forget to follow me on all my social media handle, Adimat and Crafts, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go there. Thank you.
Sure.
Cha cha.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
All right.